Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how you can enroll into Amazon Wine Program and what is Amazon Wine Program. Amazon has introduced a wine program. Sellers can use only FBA sellers can use this, and to get benefit of this program, you need to be enrolled in Amazon brand registry as well. Why helps wine program is helpful for new sellers. As a new sellers, it's difficult to get reviews on your Amazon listing, and Amazon is very strict about reviews as well. So you cannot get reviews from your friends, family, because Amazon can easily detect those and can suspend your account. So Amazon has on its program, wine program, in which you can enroll your products, FBA products, and get in return the reviews. Okay, so what is how many products you can enroll maximum in this program? You can enroll maximum 30 products for one SKU, and the fees for that will be $200. And Amazon will send email request once you enroll in the Amazon Wine program to the wine customers, and they will in return they will request product, and in return they will leave reviews. It's not granted that every wine customer is going to leave the reviews. It's up to them if they will leave reviews or not. So you will be charged fees only when the first review is live. So in this case, I have already reviewed last time enroll some reviews license already in the wine program. You can see we enrolled 2 units, we got 1 reviews, and we enrolled 10 units, we got 9 reviews. Okay, why is that 2 and 10? Amazon initially only allows to enroll 30 units, and then later on Amazon announced different criteria as well, that you can enroll 2 SN as well, and you can enroll SN up 10 unit as well. So this session was eligible for enrollment, and I went ahead and started enrollment. Like enrollment fees, if you want to you enroll 2 units, there is no fees. If you enroll up to 10 units, uh, then some fees is $75. If you enroll more than 10 units, the fees will be $200. You can enroll maximum of 30 units. Okay. Uh, and if you have a product under multiple variations, then all the parent SN, it will be only maximum 30s. You cannot enroll for each variation 30 units. No, Amazon does not allow that. You can choose number of units to enroll for each variations. Total should be 30. If I for this letter, if I click on 2, and if I enroll that, click on enroll, it will automatically get enrollment in that. I uh, do not recommend to go for wine for some categories like supplement related products. It can, if you are not sure about the product, because sometimes it can badly affect your product rating as well, because wine customers, they leave honest reviews. Okay, so we it's not granted that they're, yes, if you are paying to Amazon and they will leave 100 positive reviews for you, they can give you 3 star, 2 star reviews as well, and 5 star reviews as well. So make sure that you are sure about your product quality and everything, and then you can enroll. I recommend you to enroll this. So let me know if you have any question about Amazon Wine program.